Buongiorno, and benvenuti to Italian Lessons with Gina. This is the first in a series of brief lessons aimed at teaching Italian to English speakers. Our topic for this installment is the Italian alphabet and its sounds. The Italian alphabet contains 21 letters. They are listed on the screen with the phonetic pronunciations shown in parentheses next to each letter. Let's recite the alphabet as an Italian schoolchild would. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. These 5 letters are foreign to Italian. When they appear in a word or proper name, it is an indication that the word is not of Italian origin. Let's pronounce these letters as an Italian would. I lunga, K, W, X, Y. Often in English, a same letter or group of letters will be pronounced in different ways in different words. So, we have tough, though, through. Or, different groups of letters will have the same pronunciation. So we have bow and bow. This will never happen in Italian because it is a phonetic language, meaning that words are pronounced just as they are spelled, and, with few exceptions, every letter in a word is pronounced. Once you learn a few simple rules, you will see that Italian words are easy to pronounce. For the most part, because Italian words are spelled exactly as they are pronounced, Italians almost never ask each other how words and names are spelled. But, if such a question should be necessary, Italians will ask, "Come si scrive?" which means literally, "How is it written?" If you must spell something out in Italian, especially over the phone, use the phonetic alphabet shown on the screen, where Italian city names as well as other words are paired with each Italian letter. The underlines indicate the syllable that gets the stress. If there is no underline, the next to the last syllable is stressed. Let's say them together. A, Ancona. B, Bologna. C, Como. D, Domodossola. E, Empoli. F, Firenze. G, Genova. H, Hotel. I, Imola. L, Livorno. M, Milano. N, Napoli. O, Otranto. P, Palermo. Q, 40. R, Roma. S, Sicilia. T, Torino. U, Urbino. V, Venezia. Z, Zara. For example, let's say your last name, il cognome, is Minkowski. And you are asked, come si scrive? You would say, M come Milano, I come Imola, N come Napoli, K, O come Otranto, W or come Washington, S come Sicilia, K, I come Imola. The 5 foreign letters are not usually assigned a phonetic word to assist in spelling. While there are some subtle differences between Italian consonant pronunciation and English consonant pronunciation, for example, the sound of the letter D is a little more delicate in Italian, for the most part, the consonants, I consonanti, produce the same sounds in an Italian word that they do in an English word. A B gives a B sound no matter where it is in a word, as in bocca and abito. A D gives a D sound, as in dove and andare. An L gives a L sound, as in losco and alimento. When the letter H begins a word in Italian, which is rare, it is totally silent. The breathy h sound of the English H is not heard. Hotel, anno. Some more information on consonant sounds will be conveyed in the next lesson. On the other hand, Italian vowels, I vocali, often do not produce the same sounds in an Italian word that they do in an English word. The sounds they produce are essentially the same as the name of the letter. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, U. For example, the 9th letter of the alphabet, the one we call I, is called E in Italian, and E is the sound it produces every time you see it in a word. Ravioli, imitazione, bellini, cattiveria. While the vowels that English speakers call A, I, O, and U are always pronounced basically as A, I, O, and U whenever they appear in a word in Italian, the pronunciation of the 5th letter of the alphabet, which we call E and the Italians call E, may be shortened, as in sette and bello, or elongated, as in sete and reso, according to whether the vowel is accompanied by a single consonant or a doubling of the same consonant. Italian vowel sounds are large, open sounds. Resist the urge to give a vowel a flat American English pronunciation. The Italian word for cookies is said biscotti, not biscotti. Pronouncing Italian correctly is easy. Just remember to open your mouth to get the correct round, open sound that is required. That's all for now. Alla prossima. Ciao e studiate bene.